If you've got a 958 Cayenne and have recently worked on it where you disconnected the power, you may find that the instrument cluster and the PCM have lost their ability to register the date and the time. You can see at the bottom of the instrument cluster here, there is no time listed. On the earlier model 958s, the instrument cluster doesn't give you the ability to actually set the time. If you go to date and time, even though it's blank, the only options that you have are to change the time zone or to change the format of the time, but there's no actually way to set the time. And the same problem exists for the date as well. You can only just change the format of the date. There's no way to actually set the date itself. The solution for this problem lies with recoding the instrument cluster. And so a PIWIS is necessary. This is a PIWIS 2 used for this process, where the instrument cluster coding is changed so that the production number version works to allow the instrument cluster to then change the date and time. So if you go into the manual coding section, and what we're going to do is there's a couple screens to go through here. The first one is the model year. This is 2011. And we'll pass through the next one, which has with regards to the oil level probe. I'm not going to change that, but what we are going to change is the PR number associated with the PCM navigation family. So scroll all the way down to the PCM navigation section. Instead of this having the navigation off-road version, which is what this car came with, we're going to change it to the PCM with no navigation. So the 7Q0 PR number is what we're going to want to change this to. So we're going to write that coding, again, using the PIWIS tester here. And once the coding is updated for the instrument cluster, what that now gives the cluster the ability to do is actually set the time. And so it takes about 40 seconds before the cluster then does a reset, and there it goes. And then once the reset has happened, we now have the ability to manually set the time by going back into the vehicle menu, back to the settings. But now when we select date and time, we actually have the ability to set the time. And so it lets us go into that, lets us choose our time that we want. And once the time is set, it doesn't set yet until the date is also set. So now we can also go into the date and not just change the format, but we can actually set the date. And once the date has been set, and when you back out of it, there we go. You can see the instrument cluster now shows the time, and the PCM will register that as well. So now we've fixed that problem. Leaving it in this configuration, what it does is it means that the multifunction display now, because we have a non-navigation configuration specified, you can see how the menu scope doesn't include navigation and maps. If you do want the original configuration, then you'll have to recode the car back to the PCM with off-road navigation, and that will then turn it back into where the navigation and the map show up. But in doing so, you'll lose the ability to manually set the time. And so if you see here, we go back to date and time, we can only change the time zone and the format. And same goes for the date. We can only change the format. So you'll have to decide which version you prefer. But either way you do it, once this is set, the PCM will follow suit and have the appropriate date and time. Stay tuned for more fixes, solutions, and adventures as we enjoy the Porsche Cayenne in our 958 garage.